Hey everybody, welcome back to 3 Day Weekend. I'm Chris. I'm out in the barn today looking for Alan's machine, Turbzilla. Now you might not know this about Alan, but he's very particular about his machines. You wouldn't know that by looking at it because it's filthy. I mean, come on Alan, what are you doing? You're really slacking. But anyway, any noise, vibration, squeak, squeal, clunk, he is very tuned into his stuff and he will figure it out. It'll drive him crazy till he figures out what's doing it, and he'll get it fixed or resolved or whatever he's got to do. I have an idea to make a noise, a vibration in this machine, and I think it's going to drive him crazy. So let me bring this up to the garage and I'll show you what I'm thinking. Here's what I have. I have a remote control 12-volt relay. It's got a little key fob, guys. Yep. And a couple of electric vibrators. So I'm going to make a remote controlled vibrator. Now, while some of you are giggling, let me go over here. I'm going to show you what we're doing. I'm thinking I'm going to put it on the steering wheel frame somewhere, tucked up so that you can't even see it, because he'll look underneath first. I know he will, and he'll see it in there, and that will be fun. So it's got to be hidden really well, and I'll be able to turn it on and off from my machine while we're driving, and it's just going to drive him crazy. So I know these machines have a bus bar right here with accessory power. I'll just hook straight up to that, tie it in, and then whenever his is on, I'll be able to turn it on and off. And this battery is almost dead, but that thing is for real. Oh, that's gonna drive him crazy. I bet you I could attach it anywhere on the frame and he would feel that. That's gonna be fun. Oh man, all right, back to work. I couldn't get it to shut off. It would turn on but not shut off. I had to put a length of wire, and in pure redneck fashion, speaker wire, to get the motor away from the relay a little bit, because I couldn't hear the remote to shut off. But that's what we'll go with. So now he's going to turn on the ignition, Chink. And then any given time I can hit this button and it's vibrating. And then I can hit this button and it shuts back off. That's awesome. Gonna drive him crazy, because even if every time he stops, it's not gonna be doing it. And then I'll wait until he's driving at the most inconvenient time and I'll hit the button and then shut it back off. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be funny. I have it all figured out. I'll tap into power. I think I have some of this loom that I can tuck in so it'll look factory, I'm pretty sure. And I'll put it behind those, so you shouldn't notice them. I'll give them a second thought, we'll see. And then we'll drop it through the firewall and run it up along this underside of this frame. And I'm gonna mount it right here. He won't be able to see it. And it's mounted right to the steering wheel frame assembly. I think it's gonna be perfect. you didn't know any better. You'd think that's a factory wire at first glance. It's so evil. Alright, I'm gonna get this in the machine. Okay, it's all installed. I think it looks pretty darn good. It definitely trail side. He's not gonna see it right away. So those are the new connections behind the other ones. You can't really see it. Looks like it goes into a factory loom and through the firewall. Oops, I got to put the seal back in. I'll get a seal back in. Then it comes out the other side. Same thing, factory loom, until I just ran out on the other side, but all this is in the way. He's not gonna be able to see that, so it doesn't matter. Relay is mounted on the frame. Speaker wire, because this thing, I make a longer wire and it's better, but it doesn't like to shut off, so it'll shut off with his key, hopefully with the remote, because I want to shut it off before he can even stop, but we'll see how it goes. And that feeds back out, goes back into a loom, which I have tied up. I even found a little factory style clip that pushes into the frame and into this box. So from the bottom, all he's gonna see maybe are those two little zip ties, which I grabbed a bunch of dirt. You see it's dirty, and I just kind of rubbed it on everything so that it looks like it's been there a while, and that must not be it. I am evil, huh? Just turn on the key, grab my remote, and it's on. And you can feel it in the steering wheel. What is going on? And then I can shut it off. You know what he's doing? No? You're good.
Sounds weird.
What?
This.
What sounds weird?
Fan.
There's no fan. No fan. Fan's not running. Huh? Sit in it? Why is it vibrating? The power steering? I feel something in your wheel.
It's weird. I hear a noise.
I hear a noise.
Just did that.
Huh?
Just did that.
Just now.
Yeah. Where I turned it off, I heard it.
It's like it's in your dash.
That noise.
What the heck is that?
It's gotta be a power steering. Has to be. Sound good?
You alright?
I think it was a power steering. Oh, good enough. That was a power steering. 100%. That's what that module is right there.
That module right there? Under let's see, you last drove this about 5 months ago.
At least.
5 months ago, I installed a wireless relay and a vibrator
Oh.
on your steering column.
Oh. It sounds like it was power steering.
Here's the remote.
It's really power steering.
Turn your ignition on. It only works when your ignition's on.
Where I want to feel it.
What? You'll never find it.
Say never.
That's why I'm sitting here trying to nonchalantly record you.
That's how I was like, he's recording something. I noticed he was recording.
I know. It's weird to hold a phone like this.
Well, because when you walked in, I was like, he's going to record something the way he's holding his phone.
Yeah.
I didn't know why you were going to record. What is this?
You'll never find it.
I will find it.
I'm telling you. You'll never find it.
Down part of this?
I'm not part of this. I have no idea what he's talking about.
I am months ago.
I have been waiting this whole time.
I should have did it when I was driving.
I forgot about it. And I couldn't have recorded anything because I would have heard you, but
You're lucky you came over here and I still had it on.
that's why I came running down. I started turning it on at the house. Turn the ignition on, you'll hear where it is. So obnoxious.
Oh, seriously, it sounds like it's the power steering.
Exactly, that's why I put it there. It's attached to the steering bulkhead.
I can't feel it.
Yep. I made a whole video about installing it. I said he's never going to find it when I put it here, and I hid the wiring so well, I swear it looks factory.
I can't feel it.